Hey everyone, we're here at the North Island Woolworths. We have...
Kirby's.
Oh yeah.
Come to this one.
Well, this one actually. The other two. So you see them right there. Pretty interesting. Make right there. Truly interesting.
Done?
I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.